Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nitsar. In today's video, we're going to see how to design a Butterworth high pass filter using BLT method. So this is nothing but MATLAB software. So initially I will give the heading, that is a percentage design of Butterworth high pass filter using BLT method. Okay, BLT method. Then simply I will start the programming. So first I will take sampling frequency is equal to 8000. Then I will write whatever the stop band angular frequency is equal to 2 into 500 divided by 8000. Then I will write WP passband angular frequency is equal to 2 into, for example, 8000 divided by 8000. Next line, then I will take whatever the attenuations, that is RP is equal to 3 and RS is equal to 20. Then I will take the command in square bracket capital N comma WN bracket complete equal to. So through this command you can find out whatever the butter order. So butter order in bracket. So for that you have to write WP WS comma RP comma RS bracket complete. Next line you have to display that. So you can write display in single inverted comma. You can write order equal to bracket complete. Then again you can display the order, that is nothing but capital N. Then finally again you can write display bracket in single inverted comma the value of Wn equal to. Then again I will display that value, and finally now I can apply whatever the filter. So B comma A is equal to, I will write butter B comma A is equal to butter N comma W N comma in single inverted comma high bracket complete. Next line I will define whatever the zero pole and values equal to. I can define butter in bracket N comma WN comma in single inverted comma I will write, that is nothing but high bracket complete. Next line, then I will find out whatever the frequency Z response, that is the H of Z, we have to find out finally. So just you have to write frequency Z in bracket B comma A comma number of points 512 and comma sampling frequency bracket complete. Next line, simply I will plot in bracket, what is the plot, F comma 20 into log of absolute of in bracket capital H in bracket complete. Next line, just I will give the title is nothing but high pass filter using BLT method. Okay, then simply go to the editor options, just click on run. After that just save this file with the whatever name, then it will display whatever the values that we have calculated, and finally you will get whatever the response. Now you can see initially the values comes from this point to this point. These are nothing but initially the zero values, and after that you are getting the high pass filter. So basically initially we are getting the zero values, means basically we are getting zero values for low pass filter, and after that it will get a straight graph, that is a magnitude response for a high pass filter. So like this you can design any filter very simply using BLT method, using a different inbuilt command. So once again you can see, so initially I have taken sampling frequency omega s, omega p, rp, rs, butter order, then I have simply display that order. Then I have taken whatever the command for high pass filter to find out the Butterworth high pass filter. Then simply I have taken a frequency z. So obviously finally we have to find out the f of means z domain, so that is h of z, and simply finally I have taken the graph of that is nothing but high pass filter using a BLT method. Okay, so you can take a printout of this also. So that's it. If you like this video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. You can also share this video, and